Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to check how to fix views not showing on Instagram Reels. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Now let me walk you through the simple steps to fix this issue. Step 1. Go to the App Store or Play Store and update your Instagram app to the latest version. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap Professional Dashboard. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Switch Account Type, then select Switch to Creator Account. Finally, tap Switch again to confirm. Step 3. Go back to your profile and tap the three lines in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Step 4. Scroll to For Professionals and tap Creator Tools and Controls, then select View Counts on Profile. Step 5. Turn off the Hide View Counts option if it's enabled. That's it. Go back to your profile and you should now see the view counts on your Reels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.